Hello everyone, I am Sophia and welcome to my channel, Sofia DIY Studio. Today, we're going to build an amazing miniature construction city using simple craft materials. If you love DIY projects, miniature models, and creative building ideas, you're going to enjoy this project. Let's begin by preparing the base of our city. A smooth foundation is important because it helps keep all the structures stable and properly aligned. Next, we're creating the roads and marking the traffic lanes. These small details make the miniature city look much more realistic and professional. Now it's time to add the buildings. Carefully place each structure in its position and make sure everything is balanced. You can use cardboard, foam board, or any similar material available at home. To make the scene more realistic, we're adding construction elements such as a cement mixer, work areas, and unfinished structures. These details bring the entire project to life. As you can see, the city is slowly taking shape. The roads, buildings, and construction zones are starting to look like a real urban environment. Now, we're adding the final touches and decorative details. Small additions can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your model. Look at how amazing the miniature city looks now. With a little creativity and patience, simple materials can be transformed into something truly impressive.
Oh yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this project and got some inspiration